So welcome to today's vlog, and today we're gonna go on a targeted ride of 140 kilometers as my group mates and the colors were able to do that. And ayun, sabi ko, why don't I do it as well, since I want to try how my health has improved through this year. And this is my first way going over to Kawanichi area, and so far so good. Place is freezing cold.
Kita tayo sa Kawanichi, mga 30 minutes siguro.
Honestly, till now, medyo shaky ako sa daan sa Kawanichi, but it's always fun to explore the roads.
Yung main challenge ng ganitong oras is yung lamig. Kasi grabe. Lamig. And ayokong magsuot ng makapal. Kaya ito, freezing. But I'm enjoying. So here we go, Koranic Park na. But hindi ako magsistop over dito kasi medyo matilim. Doon tayo sa last exit. So it's just a few meters away lang. Tara! Last exit tayo.
All glory and honor to God. Dati, pinapangarap ko lang puntahan tong mga lugar na to.
Last exit na, guys! Finally here. So ayun, some people ask me bakit ko to ginagawa. Why would I want to bike this far, no? Or do this challenge, or challenge myself to 140. Yun ang naabutan ng colors. Like I said, I never see myself as one of the fastest, one of the strongest or best bikers, which is newbie ako sa mga ganito, and never ko naman sinabi yun. So nakakatawa kasi may nagsasabi na pinagtatawanan ako. Pagtatawanan nyo isang newbie. But whatever it is, ginagawa ko to not to be better than anyone else, get better than the person I was yesterday. And you know, you can't please everybody. If you're a threat to some people, gonna gang up and they're gonna be together. They don't have to like each other. My gosh, they actually talk about themselves behind their backs and insult each other, but because they don't like you, they'll be together, no? And that's just the way it is. But bakit ko to ginagawa? If you've been a follower of my vlog for 3 years, or you guys know na I've been having a lot of uric acid attacks in the past years, and by the grace of God, I can't remember the last time I had a uric acid attack in the past 6 months. So yeah, best na gasto ko, it was buying this bike and meeting yung mga kagrupo ko sa colors. It's such a blessing. So I praise and thank God sa mga bagay na yan, and ginagawa ko to as isang patunay na pag hinihingi mo kay God, ibibigay naman din talaga niya. And restoring of my health, lalo na sa mga paa ko, it hasn't been a very easy journey. So thank God for that. Tama na pagsasatsat ko at itutuloy ko. Magmumushit pa ako.
A few moments later.
So finally here at Mushrif, grabe, because of the trees siguro and the open space, napakalamig. It's almost as if may ice. Ay, sarado pa talaga. So wala tayong maano ng kape dito. Ayun, wala pong 3 AM. Sarado pa siya. Sarado pa. So itong Mushroom Park. Anyway, continue tayo. Grabe lamig. So just made it out of Mushroom Park. Ang lamig, grabe guys. Challenge ko sa inyo, never go to Mushroom Park outer loop pag 3 AM. Grabe, ang lamig. Sakit. Not unless makapal kayong damit. Eh ako, mas mahilig ako sa manipis eh. Ayun. Anyway, push tayo, Dragon Mart.
Salamat naman at stopover tayo for kape.
Thank God, medyo warm dito sa CR nila. So, nako, parang ayoko lumabas eh. Di balik kape muna tayo.
Meanwhile,
Okay, thank God may mga grocery na ganito. So, akala ko Zoom siya. Gamitin ko sana yung Nol card ko. But, since gusto ko may kahawak akong cash talaga. But, hindi. So, kinailangan ko gamitin ang cash na dala ko. Buti na lang may tala tayo. Ayun, kape muna and saging kasi na ano ako, pinupulikan ako sa lamig. Grabe naman ka-extreme yung lamig sa Mushrif. Gonna be the last stop for, I don't know till when, pero probably Dragon Mart. Ayun. And change of plan. Maghihita kami ni DJ sa Dubai Canal, kaya kailangan ko bilisan. Hopefully maabutan ko siya.
So, ito yung way papuntang Dragon Mart and sobrang scary siya at times, lalo sa Mush Trip kasi medyo madilim. Hindi ko alam kung baka may mahuhulog sa yung ahas or whatever, but safe naman.
Try natin mag-back cam kasi di na makita sa front cam eh.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yung bridge na tawag namin Little Nepal or Little Bangladesh. Napaka-narrow niya. So as you can see, ganyan ka-narrow. Kailangan tulak natin ang ating bike. Mga 9 AM, grabe ang hirap dumaan dito kasi sa sobrang narrow niya, napupuno talaga tong bridge na to. Kasi ang daming tao talaga. Honestly guys, Dubai pa ba to? Disyerto na. Disyerto mode.
So, everything was running smoothly until...
Meanwhile,
So bago-bago ng tire. Ito na agad. Actually, mas advisable talaga na may kasama mag-ride kasi tulad ng mga times na ganito, hindi mo maasahan. So, ayun. Unfortunately, no. But, tingin ko kaya pa naman ng tire ko. I hope ma-seal ng sealant. So, antayin ko muna mga 5 minutes na matakpan ng maayos. Medyo marami-rami rin ang sealant na nawala sa aking tire. So, ayun. Hopefully, mag-dry siya.
eventually,
Nad Al Shiba! Nad Al Shiba na! Solo ride! New Year's longest for today. Ito na sa Nad Al Shiba bike lane. So, hopefully within 45 minutes makarating ako ng Dubai Canal. On the way na rin daw si nasa Lamer na si DJ. So sana maabutan ko. Sobrang lamig pero tingin ko kaya pa naman siguro ng mga pa ako. So it's nice to be out of Nad Al Shiba. Here on the road going towards Dubai Canal na. So hopefully hindi mag-aantay ng matagal si DJ. And here we go. Hello. Morning. Musta bro? DJ!
So, kasama ko na si DJ at we went through Kite Beach and to Marsa de Marine. And na-meet namin ang Ride and Chai. Kalain nyo yan.
Ride and Chai!
Ang ganda ng pa-New Year no, no? Chaya. Grabe naman.
Ride and Chai! Yun, bait na mga taga Ride and Chai. Nabigyan pa kami ng pambaon.
And after that, push through kami to Jumeirah de Madinat. And first time ko to pasukin to. Ang ganda ng lugar. Para siyang Italy. Though I've never been to Italy, this is very European. Cool.
DJ in the house! Ano ba tong mga to? Parang statwa, no?
From here on, Cafe Nero na ang aming gustong puntahan, which is in Palm Jumeirah, and kikitain namin si Louie dun kung on duty siya. First time ni DJ i-bike ang Palm Jumeirah.
Dito kami ni DJ sa Cafe Nero. O, diba? Cafe Nero. Siyempre, powered by Louie. At timing, on duty si Louie. Number 1 coffee shop with Master Louie. Naabutan ko na rin siya. Kape. Sa?
Sa palm lang naman. Ang sarap kasi. Gusto magkape, Palm Jumeirah pa.
Boring. Kumain kami and after that, dumiretso kami hanggang sa dulo. Kaso, unfortunately, hindi kami makadaan kasi may tunnel and bawal ang bike dyan.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Master Boss,
Morning.
lahat ng ruta, siyang may kasalanan doon. Survive kami ni DJ.
Survive.
Kahit yung
Muntik pang mabudol sa blue.
ang yabang-yabang ko kanina, no? Sabi ko sa kanya, tara, Blue Waters tayo, kaya ko pa naman. Nung pauwi na kami, ang lakas ng hangin. Ha? Sabi ko, bro, buti na lang sinabi mo na wag na lang kasi hindi na kaya yung hangin, sinutulak talaga ako.
Oo, kaya nga, yun talagang hangin. Parang may angkas ka Oo, parang may angkas ka.
Pero praise God, nakayanan. Hindi nga lang nakaabot ng 140. Tignan natin mamaya.
Ilan kulang?
6.
Eventually.
12:39. Kakauwi lang. So from 10 p.m. to 12:39 p.m. So kakauwi na. So yun guys, no, all glory and honor to God. And ang naabutan natin is 144 kilometers, 0.1. So ayun, sobrang saya ko at na-complete ko yung naruta nila. Although hindi ako nag-Blue Waters, I took Palm Jumeirah route instead, but na-complete din natin, no. And ayun, sobrang thankful ako sa mga hindi makalakad or may mga uric acid dyan. Just pray and believe na tutulungan kayo ni Lord. Yun, start kayo kahit slow walking, kahit mga 10 minutes lang muna. And ayun, ito na tayo, 144 kilometers by bike, no? So all glory and honor to God. And till next time, God bless and ingat.